Right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Ubuntu server in the VirtualBox. The first thing you need to do is go to osboxes.org. I'm already on that website, and I would highly recommend going ahead and bookmarking this website. You'll find a ton of operating systems on this website, and not just for VirtualBoxes, but for VMware workstations as well. So once you're on this website, go ahead and hover over VM images. So you got options for VirtualBox images, VMware images, and you got screenshots as well. So I'm interested in VirtualBox images. I go ahead and click on that. And as I mentioned, go ahead and bookmark this website. Extremely important. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you'll get an option to go ahead and select Ubuntu Server right here. Go ahead and select VDI image, the VirtualBox VDI image. And as it mentions right here, you can visit the official website as well. Once you go to the official website, from there you can download the Ubuntu server as well. If you go to ubuntu.com /download/server, that's it. Right. So once you're here, you can go ahead and select the server, the Ubuntu server that you're interested in. I have already downloaded the 2204 Jammy Jellyfish. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the same, but I'm going to download and install the Plucky Puffin. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on download. And once the download completes, I'm going to resume the video. But apart from that, let me also inform you that this section of info is extremely important, because you're going to use this username and password to log into your Ubuntu server. Let's wait for the download to complete, and then we're going to go ahead and open up the VirtualBox and finish the rest of the steps in the VirtualBox. Let's go for it. Okay, so the download is completed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and extract the contents of the downloaded zipped file. Well, you got to do the same as well. So I'm going to extract it right now, and it's going to give me 4.44 gigabytes. Okay, and I'm also going to launch the VirtualBox. I got the Ubuntu Server 2204, like I mentioned, the Jammy Jellyfish, which is actually already running, and I got a resource connector running on it. I'm going to cover the resource connector implementation in the Docker containers in the next video, most probably, right? So let's go ahead and wait for the extraction to complete, and then I'm going to go ahead and either go to machine and then click on new, or go ahead and click the new button right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say Ubuntu Server 2, and this one's what? This one's called the Plucky Puffin. Okay, so Plucky Puffin. Plucky. Let's call it Plucky. Ubuntu Server 2 Plucky. So the folder that I'm interested in for this one is going to be Ubuntu Server 2, select folder, and I'm going to say next, and I'm okay with the base memory, actually. And the processors, I'm going to give it actually 2. So that's it. And in this one, I mean, I just left it as it is. I just changed the name and selected a folder. That's pretty much it. Say next, and then yeah, the base memory I'm okay with 2 GBs, and then the processor. I'm going to say next, and this is where you select the VDI image, the second option right here. I'm going to go ahead and select that image. I'm going to say add, and I'm going to say go to downloads, and I'm going to select the image. I'm going to say choose. We are good. I'm going to say next, and make sure that everything's good in here. I'm going to say finish. That's it. It says Ubuntu Server 2 Plucky powered off. I'm going to go ahead, as the image is already selected, I'm going to go ahead and click on Start. And as I mentioned, from the website, you get the username and password. So let it power up. I'm going to go ahead and use that username and password to go ahead and log in into the machine. That's it. All right. Maybe I should have given it more processors, but I think it's fine. Just a CLI, it shouldn't be that much to deal with. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, great. We are good. So I'm going to say OS boxes. I'm going to say osbo.org. Hit enter. And there you go. Successfully downloaded and installed it in the VirtualBox. All right, so let me check it. LSB, release. There you go. We got the Plucky Puffin, codename Ubuntu, Ubuntu 25.04. So we are looking good. Now, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and comment as well. That helps a lot. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time. You have a great time ahead. Goodbye.